What's up, everybody? It's Silver Seeker, and we have a very quick unboxing for you today. Inside this box is only one silver coin. Well, there's actually multiple of them, but only one different design. So we're going to go ahead and get this open really quick. Now, we are not recording on my ZV-1 right now because I do not have it here with me. Oversight on my part, but I still wanted to get this video recorded and uploaded. So we got the box open, as you can see. Let's get this out of here, and we're going to get cut into the package right now. So let's go ahead and cut that open and take a look at what's inside. Now, again, there's a lot of coins in here, but there's only one design. These guys, I'm sure you have seen, people have talked about them, but of course I just got them in myself. We are taking a look at the 2020 1-ounce silver Prehistoric Life Series. This one right here is the Tyrannosaurus Rex, 68 to 66 million years BC. Take a look at that, guys. That is such a gorgeous design. We're going to go ahead and take one of these out of the plastic so we can see it up close. Okay, so now that we have it out of the capsule, you can see we got the Prehistoric Life at the top, Tyrannosaurus Rex, 68 to 66 million, I believe, years BC. Really cool. And if you take a look around the rim, you see Cretaceous, 145 to 66 million years ago. Jurassic, 200 to 145 million years BC. And the Triassic period, 250 to 200 million years BC. So very cool. Take a look at the reverse really quick. Nice glare there. You can see you got the Republic Democratic of Congo, 20 francs. You got 1 ounce of AG, 99.9. I really like that symbol in the middle too. That is kind of cool. The only thing I don't really like, if you notice, there's a lot of spotting. I mean, it's not really spotting, it's just the finish. But it's not the perfect, gorgeous mirror finish that you would expect. There's, and not looking under the camera, you see it. You can see it as well as you tilt it in the light for sure. But either way, guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. These released not long ago. APMEX sold out really quick, and when I got them back in, the premiums had skyrocketed on these. So I'm glad I got in them when I did, and very cool. So these things right here, just to show you, they do come in tubes of 20 like this here. So I got 2 of these 20 tubes, and then I got 10 singles that are going to come in the packaging like this. But otherwise, very cool. Like I said, I'm glad I was able to get in them when I could. These are very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. If you did, do me a favor below, make sure you like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you. Guys, I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.